I'm not sure. I know he was Rover's producer at one time. And I know Rob's got extensive radio experience, so he's not a guy that's a novice.
So is he above Bubba in the organization? Like, in other words,
does Bubba listen to him?
Oh, no. Bubba is the head of the organization.
Bubba is king.
And then and whatever Bubba says for everybody else to do. That's
so is it like do. Trump? Like they say, like. With sex, he wants to help a woman in distress by making a citizen's arrest. This is what we learned. Like, what's your fantasy? How's it go down?
So there's a woman in distress, like they just sit and watch, and she's being mugged by a guy, and you come up and you tackle him to the ground, and you hold him there till the cops get there and put him under a citizen's arrest.
Like, do you say to the guy, I put you on under citizen's arrest?
Yes, you have to.
That's what you want to say.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir, you're under citizen's arrest. I'm super brave.
The first thing is, it's a violent crime. I'm not doing it.
Right. Yeah, me neither.
And if you're talking about the airplane, if somebody acts up on an airplane, now that's free licks. You can whoop somebody's ass.
Do you know martial arts or something? I mean, are you?
I'm trained in Muay Thai and Jiu-Jitsu and hand-to-hand combat.
So you're anxious to use some of your skills.
I just think that it would be awesome.
Yeah, all that training. I was listening to Joe Rogan say that because he trains in martial arts.
He's for real.
Yeah, he can really fight.
Yeah.
And he was saying, you train your whole life for this moment that's never going to happen. You know what I mean? It's like, guys, training and pretend fighting in the dojo, kicking each other constantly.
But meanwhile, he had a real fight. How long did your fight last?
39 seconds.
39 seconds. He got knocked out.
Yeah. No, but that was in the ring.
That was in the ring.
We're talking street fight.
Yeah.
Really fighting. The scenario would be like, well, what if a guy pulled a knife on you? What if a guy did this and that? And you practice, and then it never happens. Because you're such a badass, it never happens.
And I think Joe is like a black belt in jiu-jitsu. Like he's
huge. He's got big fucking muscles and shoulders and all. I don't even know. When I knew him, he was like a skinny little guy.
Yeah, he trains all the time. And I thought maybe one day he would have an actual fight in UFC, but he's like, nah, I just train.